So hi folks, how are you all? I hope you are doing great. And in this video, we are going to cover the proper to-do applications, like including the add to-do. Last, if you remember, we did how we can display our data when we have the array of object that kind. We have the initial state and we passing in to-do list as a prop, and in prop we are just we are just display by through the map function, right guys? So today we are going to made a input box in which we are adding our to do, and this to do is showing to our this to do list. I hope you are uh, highly like motivating and interesting to learn this how we can do that. So if you haven't understood my last two videos, no problem guys, but like in this video you definitely get something like better than nothing, so first I'm showing you the what will be the structure of our to do application. So guys, here is our like to do application structure is like that. So we have to do, we can add here, we have input box here, and this is our button, right guys? And here we are showing our display our to dos. So what we did, first we did first we made like this app.js, and then we made two components, to do list where we are showing displaying away our data, and second component where we will putting like we will fill our add our input or to do. So these to do, these two inputs should be connected. So we connected in app.js. How we connected? We connected like this, right? So guys, and the next thing what we have to do, here we type any to do, like let's suppose the next to do or maybe the uh, is dance, right? I think, right, we love to dance, like I love to dance but not in public, on my mind. So when I enter in add to button, this is our add to button, this is our button. When I click on this button, so this will add it to our to do list. How this is possible? So first, this will go to our parent. So here we are putting some function add to do, right guys? Add to do, and yeah, we will see how we can do that. So this dance will go here in this app through props, and through props we will add it. Like this is this thing is our in app here, right? I'll do one thing. If I do maybe okay. So what happened in app we have the array, right? We have the initial state as you see here. Yeah. So this to do add here dance, and after this adding dance, it will show display us here. So I hope guys you understand the flow. First, what will happen when we edit the to do, it will go to our app, or in app we have the array. Will we have the array, and so this array, right? This array will pass through in to do list where we are mapping to display our data. So this a simple logic guys, and I hope you understand the flow, because in React that's the main thing to understand the flow. And last we did this part. So first what we will do, so first we are going to, so first we are going to create some inputs, right? So do fast input, and the one button which is add button. And so here we have placeholder, you can type. And so we have to manage, so we as well we have to import the React app, React from React. Yeah, so what we have to do, when I click something here, enter, this will add it to this list. So how can we can do that? So first we have to maintain the on change functionality on input. We have to do, so first we click const is equal to my text, so set text and use state. So we have to maintain a state here. So and here yes, anything problem here? I don't think so, right? So here we have to put on change. So maybe guys, if you haven't read about on change function, you will get confused. So on change is just for input tag to handle the changes. So here we have handle change. So here we type the const handle change, right? And we have to put here text is null. So when we click, right, like, so right now if I'm doing console dot text, so nothing will show. In console you can check, nothing will show us, this is an empty string. Okay, so if I put here, like if I put just set text is equal to my just e dot target dot value. Now if I'm putting here anything, this will show here the value is changing, right? We can use this value now. So this value is added to our text by using the set text. So this is our one task, and another task we have to do, like when we click on our add to do, so whichever in our last text value, it should be added to our the array. So how can we do that? So first we have to here on click functionality, handle add. So just type here right spelling, so const handle add is equal to my, so if I type here console dot log text, so it, now you can see nothing will show you. But when I click on add button, you can see we have some output here. So now what we have to do, we just need to add in our this array. We do not, like, nothing is, we have not to do anything, just. So now I'm coming to my app.js. Here we have to uh, do something change, like first I put this initial state out of my function. This is our initial state. So let's wait guys, console dot have that. So now we have to maintain a to list equal to state of arrays, array of object to list. So here we can just pass our state, initial state. So now you are seeing our data will be show there. Yeah, just wait for a minute. Yeah, still. So like might be you be confused what happened here. So here we have the to-do list is in the array of object form, and we pass initial state here, right? And initial state, and now what we have to do, just copy the to-do list and paste here. This will show you again, and this array of object going to the inside our to-do list component as a props, and we map the data here. So guys, so come to our point where we have to add the data. So how can we add? So we have to do just one thing, guys. So yeah, so here we have to type add to do function. Just wait, guys, you will understand. So we are passing this add to do as in a prop. Add to do, and yeah. So now we can access the add to do by here. So we can just type here add to do. So yeah. Now what we have to do, just focus, guys. We have to use add to do here and use text here, right? And right now I am just comment out this console and come to our app.js and new to do. So console.log new to do. I put this here small letter. So yeah, I think you will like you little confused on that. So but I did. So simply I just put the ASD. Yeah, this is showing how this is showing. So come to this input. So here we are change set our value as a set text, and the last value we get, this is set text. Okay, we are setting the text, and the last text is ASD. So when I click on add button, so the last text here will go to our add to do. And how is going, we are passing the state here, the add to do function here. Yeah, we just need to pass, right? We have the output here like add to do or text. This is our parameter, and when we come our app.js, so add to do, and this is our parameter. Now we just need to do one thing more. I need to destructure our to-do list. So how can I destructure? So first I'll come here and wait. First I have to destructure our to-do list, and this is a little tough for you guys for initial, and still we are facing the issues while destructuring, but no issue. As the time is gone, you will understand. So here we have right to do id. So for id I can do one thing. I use uuid is a fancy uuid. Yeah, I hope it will work. So import v4 as uuid from uuid from uuid, and we have to destructure it. So it will work now, guys. Let's see. So what's the benefit of uuid? Uuid give us the, yeah, I think it will work. uuid give us every time a new id or maybe a new number, and we can use here to do dot line. Like we can use whatever here for id, because id should be unique, and we just put here to do as a new to do. Okay, so now we are checking to our app. is this working or not. So we are putting the dance here, and yeah, we get okay. Okay, we get the error here. So no worry guys. V4, I think it's V4. V4, V4, right? Yeah, now we are getting here. So what I do, I just, if I console the to-do list, right? You will see what are the changes here. Okay, right now it's good. Why are this showing? Yeah, I have to refresh this still. Okay, to-do list is in this app right now. So I don't think so. So again, we are getting the error. Okay. Because we are getting here, because I did something wrong here. That's why. So now it's correct. So now what we have to do, so you can just click on the dance. We can add our dance here. Yeah, now you can see dance will added here. This is the unique ID. And if you click again dance, this will add, but the ID is different. So our third, next, yeah, you can check the ID is different. So this is the benefit. And you can also here use to do dot length or new to do dot length, temporary for temporary guys. So that's it in this video, and you can put all more things. Video editing, I like video editing, but I don't try video editing. Yeah, this will add it to our array of object. So guys, that's it in this video. I hope you like this video, and I hope you love this series. If you facing any issues on uh, the React to do a basic application, you can DM me. And thank you so much, guys, and best of luck.